Hello, I'm back. Recently on YouTube gave wanted who like the details about machine details. Many people want to know the HY16C. Also 16C also dispute on the lane. So now I will show this HY16C the details. I will open many cover. This machine is easily to maintenance. Only one people can easily hold this machine. So in front side we have two cover to protect the boat. When you open this side, you will see the hydraulic tank. We have this a window to check the hydraulic oil level. On the middle side is best, not low here, not over to here. After we open the back side, you can see the engine. So I open the big side cover. This cover for filling the coolant, because this diesel engine, Kubota engine, when you fill in the coolant, will move this cover. This cover also easily, only 4-piece bolt. Also this side also same have 2 bolts. If you want to check the hydraulic system also easily, we take the floor. Also we can open this 3-piece side cover. I will see the hydraulic system. So now I'm opening. I already opened this side to cover. Only one person can easily to open this cover. I first introduce the details about the engine. It's engine Kubota engine D722. So this international engine, this powerful engine. So they have this engine have glow plug. When the winter time, like North America, we can easily to start because we have glow plug. We also have the alternator, regulator to control full charge to the battery. Also, we have the cylinder cover to hold the temperature not so high. Also protect the inside system. Our is wire making by ourselves, making by our factory. They have the starter relay. Also fuse protect this wire not to get the heater. Also the chair can open after you can see the engine system. Also this engine have glow plug. When the winter time, like North America, when the winter coming, you cannot start the machine. But this machine have glow plug. We can easily to start. After we move to the chair, we can see here is glow plug, 3-cylinder. This engine is 3-cylinder. This for the water temperature sensor. This for stop relay. Okay, this is from the fuel tank to the fuel pump, the fuel filter. This engine for the water cooling. So we have the radiator. We're filling the coolant. So this engine will be working perfect. Also, this radiator not fully for the engine. This half for the hydraulic system, like hydraulic cooler. You can see here have the word. This side for the hydraulic, this side for the coolant. When you want to fill in the coolant, here have the filling port. This is the diesel tank, like fuel tank. We have the sensor to the display. How many diesel you have, you will see the display. This Kubota engine also have the air filter. This air filter double protect the engine. You know, if you suction the dirty, the air will be piston liner will be get the problem. So we use the double air filter. Inner side to double protect. This filter made in Kubota. We have two lock. Also here like a breather. So when you get the not environment not so clean, we can like sometimes like push. This machine we use the double gear pump. One for the main pressure, one for the pilot. So I can like the details about the lines. We have one pipe, one suction pipe from the hydraulic tank. This hydraulic tank window, we check anytime check the hydraulic levers. So when the suction, the main pipe will go the control valve. The pilot filter, pump will go the pilot filter. After we go pilot valve. Pilot valve have a solenoid. When you push the left side handle, they will give the power to push this valve to work. After give two joystick to give two pressure. After you can operation the machine. So we here can adjust the pressure for the pilot. When normal time is 3.5 MPa. So they will, if you're not working, the T will directly return to fill hydraulic tank. If you're working, we have two lines, go two set joystick. So after two joystick, we have main pipe. When the push joystick, when we push the main control valve to the work, to the cylinder, to the driving motor, to the swing motor. Here for the hydraulic filling port. We also have one filter. This hydraulic tank inside, we have two hydraulic filter, like one suction filter, one retain hydraulic filter. You can see this our control valve with this easily. Also, it's powerful valve. If you want maintenance or service, it's easily. If you anything or like hydraulic oil leak or something, you can see anything what happened. We in the machine front side have 3 grease nipple, but many people want to know this way for which purpose. This one and this one for swing bearing, inner side and outside. This one for this boom swing cylinder backside pin. So this normal time not give to more grease, just 4 hours, 10 hours just the game. Some is grease is okay. This one just one day give like 4 push is okay. Our hydraulic pipe all have the product. Especially for the boom, we use the boom inside space to the pipe to the cylinder. Will be when working product or this some environment, we will not touch this hydraulic pipe. Also, pipe have product wire. If you touch, not break the pipe. This 16C, this like electric system, use 12 voltage battery. So all system is 12 voltage. So this brand is Chinese famous brand battery. After you go backside, we can see we have the fuse system, fuse box. Also this for starter relay. So we have the alternator, this regulator. So also have the main fuse. Product all wire not get the fail or broken. For the pilot switch, we use the safety lever. When this position for the machine start, when this position for the pilot working, after you push that down, you will see the pilot relay will be work. They have the one light. You can see the light is on. This new 16C, the new completely changed the track system. Also this carry ruler, we get 3 pieces. Or other ruler is 1 piece, we not change, but is sprocket for the driving mode, we completely change. Inside the gear to gear. Also inside have brake gear set, hydraulic set. Inside have 1 shift. Also have a brake plate. Also have the overflow pipe, the totally straight pipeline. About this 16C, the display, how many this atom have, I will show. This first one for the engine oil. When the engine oil pressure low, they will give the signal. When the battery not charging, they also give the signal. This one for the temperature. This one for this engine, how many hours running. This one for the battery wattage is now 12.2 or 0.3. This one for the fuel oil level. So after start, this will be gone. Now it's already gone. So this engine hour is running, this battery is charging. If you about the 16C, you want more the details, you can call me or you can subscribe us. You can leave your message in this video downside.